guys and gals. So in today's video I am showing you my go-to everyday makeup look, which is this. So it's just a nice bronzy glow with some lashes and a nice gloss. Super easy. It could probably take about 10 minutes if you really wanted to. It's just a nice everyday look. You could wear it to work, probably wear it to school maybe, minus the lashes, and maybe make a more nude gloss or a clear gloss. But yeah, if you want to know how I created this look and what products I use, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start with primer. I'm going to take the Revolution Fix and Glow primer. And then I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Glow foundation. I've got the shade F2. And I'm just going to go over everywhere with a beauty sponge. And then I'm going to conceal and contour with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. So I'm going to contour / bronze with the shade C10. And then for highlighting and concealing, I'm taking the shade C1. And then I'm going to buff the contour shade out first. These concealers blend out just so easy. And then I'm taking the Spectrum A06 brush to buff out the concealer. My eyes look really bloodshot, but I guess I've not long since I woke up, so that's probably why. I'm just going to blend everything out with my sponge. Then I'm taking the W7 Flawless Face Pressed Setting Powder just to set all of it in place. Just to set the concealer. So I'm just going to do it on my eyes, on my lid. I'm not going here because I'm going to do liquid highlight. And then I'm going to set the darker concealer shade with my powdered bronzer. I'm taking the matte bronzer from Primark. just done my brows off camera real quick, and then moving on to highlight, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Unicorn Elixir. I'm just going to put a bit on the back of my hand, and then use my finger to blend it out on the skin. Look how blinding that is. I just can't get over it. And then for lashes, I'm taking the Bethann by Too Faced, the waterproof version. I'm just going to coat my eyelashes and then get them ready for falsies. And then I'm just going to let that dry for a bit, and then we'll put on some lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are the Unique Lashes in the style January. So lashes are on. Now moving on to lips, I'm going to be taking the Unique Lashes lip cream in the shade Naughty. And then to just finish off, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Fixing Spray. And that is my go-to everyday makeup look finish. So sometimes I might not wear lashes, it depends, you know, on my mood, but I thought today I would, because I usually do wear lashes. But you know, if, you know, some days you're like, do I? And then you're like, no. But yeah, so it's just a nice bronzy, glowy look with a nice gloss and some, like, not dramatic lashes and not really low-key lashes, they're just like in the middle. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget you can follow me on social medias. They are linked down below. It's Makeup Bethann with 2 N's on both. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I post a new video, then press the bell. I'm trying to upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, but the minimum would be 2 weeks, which would be a Wednesday and a Sunday, so the Friday is the extra day. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!